How you release the stuck spare tire? How you release it? This is what you turn this ply. The tire wrench to lower your tire, and it's not lowering. The only thing you have lowering is the cable. Okay, when you do it, so the tire is stuck in there. So always you take it off. Here's the trick: you get the strap, hook it up here, like I did. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Right there, like I did, and then bring it, wrap the spare tire with it, and then crank it up. Okay? Crank it up. Get that tire really tight in there. Once you get the tire tight in there, the next thing you gotta do, you're gonna need the screwdriver, the long one. Okay? Come under here. Make sure your tire is tight, because you tried it all kind of way, it's not coming off. So you go in the next step. This is your next step. You wrap it up, crank it, make sure the tire is secure and is tight. Okay? They have to be tight. Besides tightening the strap, tight this cable too, like it's supposed to be in the beginning. So you're starting in 0. Stripes, strap it up, get it tight in there with the screwdriver. This one, come here. You look for this side, the flat side. It's poor light here. I'm sorry, I apologize. You look for this side. Go in one of these holes. You can push it, and it's gonna release the notch there. So when you do that, this tire is secure. Now lower your tire. The tire not gonna lower because you secure it, but you're gonna lower the cable. Lower your cable. I think mine is low. Yeah. Lower your cable. Now you pass it on the side, on the other side, the straps. Once you release that clutch there, and get the light so you can see better. Right there where I'm shining the light, you see the clutch is locked right there. That's what is holding it. Now you get that flat screwdriver. Stay with me. Get that flat screwdriver. Apply it in right there. So this is Chevy Silverado. It's the same for GM, pickup truck, or you can follow. Look for this cut there, that mark there, the flat surface. Put this screwdriver right in there, in that clutch. Push it inside. Okay, let me put this on a pause. What I'm gonna do, simply where the screwdriver is at, I just gotta apply it this way, just like that. You see, it came off. I release it right there. See, the whole thing, I release it. See, I told you, you gotta subscribe to this channel and like the video If you're happy, cross. Otherwise, if you don't do this, you're gonna stuck on the road. It's gonna take you. I mean, it won't be no way you can do it on the road if you don't know this trick. So when you took your flat screwdriver, this is what you did. Let me position myself better. I'll bring it down a little more. Alright, let me explain it to you. So you see how quick I took it down, right? So this is what happened. Once you tie it, you secure it with something strapped like this one in place. Don't get that small chip that has strap. Get an heavy duty one like this. Strap the tire. Release. Lower this cable down. Then put your screwdriver right in there. Find this notch right there. That's what you're looking for. The easy way to find it, follow this cut right there down, because this is gonna be in there. Lock, you're not gonna see it. You're only gonna be able to see this partial right here. Okay. So see, this is how the shape of it look like. I'm gonna load this small so you can really be with me. Yeah, I got it. Now, here's the deal. Here's the clutch. This is the part to do the job right there. You click in there. Mine, it was stuck in there because I used that flat screwdriver to do this trick, and I push it in, apply it in, you push it in. That's why I release it, and I was able to wiggle it down and bring it down just like you see. So the mechanism, it will go bad over time. It rusted like this. So you see the shape of it, the clutch right there. So don't look for the flat surface. Go for this surface here. See, this side. Either one side of them. If it's not this side, it's the other side. That's what you're looking for. You're gonna put your screwdriver in here and there. But this is the wrong side. The right side is this one. This, with that cut there. There's slight cut there. So that's how it's gonna be looking. So you're gonna apply your flat screwdriver right here, and you push this in. You push this tab in with your flat screwdriver, and you're gonna push it in, and it's gonna look flash like this. And then when you wiggle it down, and it come down just like mine did. Okay, now all you gotta do, release this strap slowly. While you're doing so, the spare tire gonna come down right along with it. But the best way to do it, crank the cable up a little more, bring it up about there, so when the tire is released, the cable catch the tire. That way you don't risk to get hurt or anything like that. That's how you do it. Now I'm gonna continue. That was just the explanation, so you know how to get it done. And then now the next step, you lower Instead of lower, because it's already low, get it tighter a little bit. Then you release the strap, and the tire it should fall down. Let's see. I'm gonna crank this up. Get that cable tight. About there. And then now I'm gonna release the strap. Gonna see how the tire gonna fall down. Yeah. There, you see? Now the tire, the strap is released, the tire is down. I'm gonna lower it even more. Release this side too. Now it's time to lower the tire. Down, baby. Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, the bad boy is down now. It's playing. Yeah. Now, got the whole tire down. Yeah. Now it's time to lubricate the shit out of this. I gotta check it off first. All right. Be patient. Yeah. Got it off. Yeah. Now I'll be able to change my tire. Oh yeah. This baby is brand new and rusted. Et voila. Oh yeah. It's down now. And then this is your chance to do it right. Lubricate it. Do whatever you want to do with it so you don't have that problem no more. Again, this is the problem right there. That's where it gets stuck, and that's where you're gonna put the screwdriver. Okay? So I hope it helped you out. Subscribe so you can see more tricks. And I took it off under 15 minutes for the whole process. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you in the next one.